Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In this video, we look at two string methods which are closely related to sequences such as lists or tuples. First, the string object has a method known as split, which splits a given string into a list. Say, for example, we have the string, which is a string of fruits. Let's say you have mango. So if you call the split method, it will split this on the spaces and it will return a list. So we now have a list of the fruits. So we can use that one to create a new list. And then the string object also has a method known as join, which takes a sequence such as a list or a tuple, which it joins. So say, for example, we want to join, and whatever you pass to the string will be used to join the various items in that sequence. So in this case, you want to join with a space between each item in the sequence. So the join method takes the sequence. In this case, we'll pass our list, so it will join with a space between them. But if, for example, you wanted to join, say, with a hyphen, we could do that. And if you wanted maybe to join with two full colons, we could do that. So those are the two methods that you can use. The one splits a string into a list, and the second one joins a sequence such as a tuple or a list into a string. So that's it for this video. We'll pick it from here. Thanks for watching.